educators and people watching this video. I'm Shahrukh Sheikh and I'm from Student Alliance community. Now, often it happens that every 6 months you get new updates. Similarly, you have updates coming in from time to time, and to make sure that updates are happening, you will be given a firmware file, right? So whenever you have an issue, in case you find that the screen is not working properly or there is some other issue, maybe it is the issue of firmware. 90% of the time, because of firmware, you're not aware as to how you can take forward the things. We have a very simple solution for that. Now, I'm just taking out my pen drive, right? So you need to have only your firmware file that will be given by Student Alliance team to you. Now this file, you just have to put it here on the jack, shut this down, shut down. So as soon as the shutdown option is done, just long press on this, on the power button. As soon as you long press on this button, you will see blinking light of red and white, which means your system is being rebooted, right? So it is very simple. In your pen drive, you should just have the firmware file that we have given, switch off your panel and continuously press on the power option. Your panel will be rebooted with a new firmware. Thank you so much.